I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue.
In the train station going to Kyoto, guys. So we're waiting for ourselves to load, go to Qatar 16. So for the first time going to the bullet train, first time in Japan, first time in Kyoto, first time in Tokyo. So we plan to go and travel to different cities before we all go back to the US. It's so nice to be in a business such as this. No need for physical office, guys. No need to stay in the office, have your own employees. You don't have to work for them if they don't make it to their jobs, because everything is just online. You use your computer, your phone, and a Wi-Fi connection wherever you are in the world. So actually, yes, you can be on vacation and making money because you are doing the business already. Alright? So I just want to share with you what's going on in Japan. And I'm with a group of friends, you know. Let me see what's inside of this. It's just a regular train. It's just mabilis. Alright, thank you so much. I'm out. See you again later. Yes, this is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the bullet train. First time, a lot of people are still in line. Look at this. Inside bullet train now, guys. So we are going in, and yes, it looks like a plane. Look at that. So we are using, may vanity pa pala siya. Okay. So nakapila kami, guys. Papasok na kami sa bullet train. So meron kaming seat. What is the seat number? What's the seat number? 12. I'm 12E. Tabi-tabi yata tayo. 12E daw, 12E. 12E. Parang siya aeroplano. Parang siya plano. 12. 7. Sunod-sunod na to. 12. Ito tayo sa left. I am 12E. I'm 12E. Window. Window, window, window.
Lahat tayo window.
12E.
Lahat tayo window.
Where?
No, read. Look at the side. You are in the...
E-window.
I told you, you are correct. I'm wrong. I am.
Lokarat-lokarat talaga. Lokarat talaga to.
Tingnan mo naman,
Ay, ang ganda naman siya. Me too.
Hindi masyado makabar. Sige, bukong ano kayo. We can change naman. Hi guys, I am so excited.
Uy, ba't nag-iisa ka dyan? Sasama kita. Sasama kita. Ay, kalabaw. Sama kita.
Hello.
Nakapwesto na kami, guys. Upo na ako. Nangangalay na pa ako. Ano pa ako? So, okay. Nasa loob na kami, guys.
Right there. Well,
Diba, saya-saya.
we can switch later.
Ang init, pero at least malamig na dito sa loob. Ay, sarap. So, 2 hours kami dito. Sigurado naman merong AN dito, natural naman. Ano? So, ayun. Imagine, guys, kung ako yung nagtatrabaho. Nandito kaya ako? Nandito kaya ako? Siyempre hindi. Siguro kung pupunta man ako, magpapaalam ako, siguradong limited lang. Nakakatuwa naman ako, diba? Nakakatuwa kasi nasa business na ako. Kung wala ako sa business na ito, I've been doing it for 18 months. definitely hindi ako makakapunta ng unlimited. Umalis ako ng isang linggo pa. I'm pretty sure hindi ako madaling mapapayagan. That's time. Time freedom yun, guys. So yun ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa business na ito. And on top of that, meron kang potential to earn unlimited. Only if you are gonna work hard for your business. You're gonna work hard for your dreams. Right, guys? So this is a nice opportunity for you to look at. And we're inviting you, I am inviting you over for you to see an opportunity. Na talaga naman napakaganda. Kasi it's online. Saka pa nakakita ng business na hindi online or hindi ka kailangang ma-stuck sa isang lugar. Diba? So, okay guys, come to my webinar, my website. Come to a free webinar on a Tuesdays and a Thursday that's live. www.jennydigitalworld.com www.digitalworld.com